Factoring using guess and check. Okay, so let's start off with a very basic equation where we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our two sets of parentheses. And now we're going to think, well, what two numbers multiplied together will give us x squared? Well, that's x times x. Now we're going to think, what two numbers multiplied together will give us 6 and added together will give us 5? Well, that's going to be 3 and 2. Now we're going to take a look at our signs. And we see that we have two plus signs, which means that both of our signs in the middle will be pluses. So, now, if we wanted to check this, all we have to do is FOIL this. So we have x times x, which is x squared, and then we have x times 2, which is 2x, and then we have 3 times x, which is 3x, and then 3 times 2, which is 6. Collect like terms, and that gives us x squared plus 5x plus 6. So that's the same equation that we started off with, and that worked out. Okay, so let's start. Now let's go to something a little bit more difficult. Alright, so we have x squared plus 6x plus 8. So once again, we start off with our two sets of parentheses, and we think, what times what gives us x squared? So that's x times x. And then we're going to look at what two numbers multiplied together will give us 8, and what two numbers added together will give us 6. And that's going to be 4 and 2. And once again, we take a look at our signs, and that's two plus signs, so that means both of those are pluses. So we're going to check this one more time using FOIL. Alright, so first, so we have x times x, and that is going to give us x squared. Then we have x times 2, which is the outside, so that gives us 2x. And then inside, which is 4 times x, which is 4x. And then last, which is 4 times 2, which is 8. Collect like terms, and we have x squared plus 6x plus 8. And it's the same equation that we started with, expression that we started with. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please help me with my project by filling out the survey at the following link, and you can actually find that link below this YouTube video. Thank you so much. Bye.